Hi, Mr. Unkert here with a problem that you should review before you take the high school math Praxis. So we have 27 times 1/3 raised to the x over 27 power equals 243, and we want to solve for x. So this problem looks pretty difficult, but let's break it down. If I'm good with numbers, I know that, well, 2 plus 4 plus 3 is 9, so this whole thing is divisible by 3. So really, you can rewrite 243 as, well, 81 times 3 if we divide it by 3, okay? And 81 is divisible by 3. That's just 27 times 3 times 3, or 27 times 3 squared. We can rewrite it. Well, 27 is 3 to the 3rd power, so 3 to the 3rd times 3 is squared equals 3 to the 5th power. All right, so it helps to know your 3's here. Okay, and over here we'll rewrite 27 as 3 to the 3rd power also. Okay, we're multiplying it times 1/3 raised to the x over 27 power. Okay, so really we have 3 cubed times 3 to the -1 power raised to a power, the x over 27 power, and we want to figure out what we can do to make this, well, we have to make this whole thing here 3 squared. Now, when you raise the power to a power, you're multiplying that power by the other power. So we want to multiply -1 by some number, -1 by some number. Let's call that, use a different variable, y. That needs to equal 2, okay? So basically, this x over 27, -1 times, because x over 27 is your y, times x over 27 has to equal 2. Well, if I want to get rid of the -1, I can divide both sides by -1, and I get x over 27 equals -2. Multiply both sides by 27. And you're going to get x equals -54. Okay, so we've solved our particular problem by using powers of 3 and some rules about exponents. This particular problem, it does look a little challenging. Don't let it scare you, though. When you see something like this, just know how to manipulate it, look for patterns and powers of powers, and common divisible numbers, that kind of thing, to review. If you're interested, you can check out some of the blogs I'm using with my students. Those are algebrasuperstar.com and precalcgenius.com. I'm going to be using those with my students this year. That'll have some high school math stuff on it. We still have timothyunkert.com up, but I won't be updating it as much now that the school year is starting. Also, if you're a teacher, please check out my free or paid worksheets available at Teacher Pay Teachers. I'll leave a link to that in the description as well. And finally, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. You'll be seeing I'll be doing some YouTube videos with my students. I'm also doing some HTML and CSS stuff as well, because I may be sharing that with my students that are interested. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.